Hello and welcome to my video. Today we're gonna do a oil change on a Volkswagen Jetta 2015. We're gonna use an extractor pump. An easy way. We're not gonna go under the vehicle. We're gonna do everything from up top, just under the hood. So let's get down to it. Firstly, we have to take off the clamps off the dipstick area. Then we have to take out the holster and the dipstick also. And if you like my video, if this is the first time looking at my videos, you wanna go and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification. So we got to take the clamps off and pop out the dipstick holster. It's a little bit snug, so you have to use some energy. So I got it up. So we look, and there's a hole where the dipstick normally goes. Don't forget to subscribe for more mechanic videos. Don't that you open. Make sure you open the oil cap so the airflow will be good. Now we're gonna insert the extractor pump in the hole where the dipstick goes, so we could start sucking the oil out. In it goes. Make sure you push the hose right down to the oil pan. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. You pull up and the oil come right out, and you push down into your container that you're gonna put the old oil in. It's gonna take a bit. It's gonna take a bit of time because you're pumping it out, it's not draining. It'll take a bit of time, couple pumps. So just go and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification to get notified when I do more videos like this, and you could get some content that you learn something new every day. So you're gonna take some time. It's not a hard process, it's an easy process. You just pull and push like you do a regular pump. I'm doing it slow, so it might look hard, but it's not. I'm just doing it slow. It could be done much more faster than that, but I'm doing it slow just to show you guys how easy it is. Just to pump out the stuff out of the oil, the old oil, back into the oil jug that you buy the old oil in. Now it's finished, easy like that. All the oil is out. Just finishing cleaning up the extractor pump. Make a little mess there. So now make sure you put back the dipstick holster or whatever your name is. It's easy to go back. You just push it in. Make sure you hit the pop, the clip. Make sure you put it back just like how it was. Look at that. Clip right in. Make sure you put back on the clamps also. You don't want to forget the clamps. Now after that you check, make sure that there's no oil left in the engine. As you can see, there's not even a speck of oil on the dipstick. Then we're gonna remove the oil filter. It's easy to remove. easy to spin from up top. If you notice, I had the car is not up on anything. I'm doing all this from up top. Extract the oil. They already did that. So now we're gonna remove the oil filter and replace the filter easy. As you can see, the oil filter is also coming out easy, and it's still full of oil, so the spillage wasn't that bad. As you can see, I already replaced the filter, oil filter, with a brand new filter, and I also replace the oil. I know most of you guys already know where the oil goes. The oil goes in where the oil cap is, and most people, use a funnel, and I didn't have a funnel, so I just cut a water bottle in half and made my funnel, and just use that and replace the oil. Thanks for watching my videos. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification for more tutorials like this. Thank you very much. See you on my next video.